Hi, welcome back to Fransham Forge YouTube channel. We're going to have another wacky forging session for you to watch, and we've got a commission to make some artwork for the world's Maltings Heritage Art Trail on the Norfolk coast. We're making a 15-foot giant Samphire. We're going to reforge all old recycled pieces of metal, so the whole thing will be forged out of old hydraulic rams. What we'll do is we'll look round and I'll show you all the material laying on the floor down here is all the chrome rams we're going to use. They are mild steel, but they're chrome coated, will all burn off in the furnace. Once we've forged, over the next few days when we're forging the stuff out, when it's forged afterwards, I'll show you more pictures of us blasting it. Then it's going to be coated in liquid bronze, molten bronze on the top, and then it ends up, it'll be standing in the sea at Wells for 1 year as part of the art trail. Right. There you go, there's a start point that we showed you, the hydraulic rams, and then the forged up. We've been doing all this crazy forging. As you see, we've nearly finished all the forge work. It's all Texas forged on a 500 weight Massey hammer called Arthur, which was made in 1955, and I think it came from Ray Roll originally, but there's some of the work that we've done. I'll pick up one of the big bars, I'll show you how big it is. There you go, this is some of the big section hydraulic bar that we're forging, and it's up to 5 inches thick. People say you get wiser when you get older, but I don't think so. The older we get, the bigger our forging becomes and the more heavy the work is. I'll show you a bit forged look. This is it after we've forged it and we've textured it all to look like the Samphire stalk. We put it in our oil furnace. I'm using recycled oil, so I'm using clean oil, but it's half kerosene and half diesel. Try and be a bit more environmental friendly. There's hardly any emissions off of it. It burns 4 gallons an hour, and it takes about 3/4 of an hour to heat a stock bar up when we load the furnace. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to look out for our next video when we'll be welding the project together and coating in liquid bronze ready for installment.